Crispy, diner-style hash brown potatoes. Perfect runny, sunny side-up eggs. There's something about a diner experience that I really love, the way that they cook breakfast in particular. One of my favorite diner dishes is like a classic diner hash brown. Grated potatoes, cooked on the flat top, all crispy. What I don't love about diners is that they're kind of gross for the most part, and they make their hash browns look good, but there's no flavor, there's no seasoning, there's no salt. So we're gonna make hash browns. We're also gonna teach you how to make a perfect sunny side up egg, when where the whites are cooked and then the yolks are still runny. So we're gonna tackle both of those things. Crispy, diner style hash brown potatoes, perfect sunny side up eggs. See all this starch? We want to rinse that off by throwing it in some water. Do the same exact thing to the onion. So we got our onion and potato hash browns rinsed of their starch, dried off. Drain this much liquid out of it. That's all starchy water. Ain't gonna get no crispy potatoes with that. I got 2 eggs here. It's about 2 eggs per person. So we're gonna go over to the stove and finish this guy off over there. These potatoes are ridiculous. I mean, a fried egg is a fried egg. It's good. Some people like some color on their egg white. As a food photographer, whenever I make one of these, I don't want any color. So I showed you the way that I did it. Picture perfect egg. You could kind of cook it on higher, get the edges crispy. I used to grow up eating them that way. I loved it. But this is more of like a proper way to do it. But like the potatoes are the star. I got the Giants hat because it's almost football season, so all you haters, bring it. I'm a Giants fan, so thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Welcome everybody who's a new subscriber here. Appreciate everybody for supporting. Stay cool, fight the heat. I'll see you on Thursday.